Hello everyone, welcome to another 60-second tip that should save you more than 60 seconds. This video should hopefully clear up all of those confusing times when you're in meetings and trying to share your screen. We're going to cover the difference between sharing a screen and sharing a window. When we're in a Teams meeting and we click on the Share Content button, we're presented with a number of options. Firstly, if you share a screen, think of it like sharing your entire monitor or display. Here you'll see that I have 3 screens that I can share from. This option is normally easiest for most people as it gives you a constant place to share your screen from. So if you switch between applications or want to drag something over, your guests can see what you're showing them. Bear in mind that it will show anything that is on this display or monitor. Secondly, we have the window option. As you can see, I have 10 windows open that I can choose from, so if we select window, it shows us a list of the applications that we're running. This should normally be used if you want to hide everything else on your screen and only show the application in question. Sometimes it can cause confusion though if you want to share a different application, say switching from Excel to Firefox, as you need to stop sharing, then reshare the new application for guests to see it. Hopefully that makes sense and gives you something to go and try. For more advice on any of the Microsoft 365, please get in touch with me at chris.shanks@firstdigital.co.uk.